What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? How are you doing today? Awesome weather here in Baltimore, man. I hope everything's doing good for you today. Beginning of September, the best month of the year. And I say that because it's my birthday month. And there's nothing but great things happening in September. Nothing but great things. What's going on? What's going on? I just want to stop in real quick and go over some things with you. And, you know, my big thing is always helping entrepreneurs, helping business owners to save money, put money in your pocket, and helping people. That's what I do. Right now, just got off a big Zoom. So I wanted to come out here real quick and share this information with you today about a deal. If you're an entrepreneur, large or small business owner, looking to improve your online presence, right? Because that's what I help business owners do, help entrepreneurs do, help them to get a better presence online and also with their social media marketing. If you fit that criteria, but you might be on a shoestring budget, I have a big deal for you. So I wanted to get this information out real quick. We're running a special. It's a huge special. It's a huge special. And even if you're on a shoestring budget, I mean a tight budget, and you're not good at posting on social media, you don't know how to do marketing campaigns, email campaigns, SEO, any of that stuff. If all that stuff is foreign to you, but you want to improve your online presence to help your business, I have a special rate for you, a special promo that we're running. It's a limited time. Can help you do all of that, automated. It will take you roughly between 30 to 45 seconds a day to get all that done for you. So if you're a person that struggles with coming up with content for social media, you don't have time to sit down and write a blog, you don't have time to run email campaigns. If you want leads off of social media for your business, I suggest you jump in my inbox today to see exactly what I'm talking about this one-time deal that we have running. It's a huge deal. The price is unbelievable. And also, I could tell you how you can actually get it for your second month free. If this can benefit you, like what I'm saying, you want to know more, reach out to me. Like I say, my inbox, send me a message. I could discuss it with you further, but I said the price is so exclusive. I just don't want to put it out there. Reach out to me today. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.